Have you ever imagined that the seaweed you see along our East African shores could one day fuel an airplane? Yes, seaweed is not just something washed up on beaches. It can actually be turned into bio-oil, a renewable energy source that could transform the future of aviation. This was the focus of a presentation by Professor Tilman Gabriel during the third International Conference on Transport, Logistics and Management held at Mlimani City in Dar es Salaam. He explained that this journey began with a simple research idea, one that grew from a master's dissertation to a journal paper to a book chapter called Open Sky Africa. And today, that idea has become reality. The African Center for Climate Change and Aviation Decarbonization, recently approved by the government and led by Professor Dr. Chad, will focus on sustainable aviation fuel with seaweed research as its core. So why seaweed? Along East Africa's coast, we find red, green, and brown species, each playing a vital role in the ocean. Seaweed provides shelter and food for marine life, supports local fishing communities, stabilizes coastlines, and keeps nutrients flowing in the marine environment. But when seaweed grows excessively, it creates challenges. It piles up on beaches, discouraging tourists. It clogs fishing nets, disrupts ecosystems, and reduces water quality after causing foul odors. That's why proper management is so important. This is the exciting part in turning this challenge into opportunity. Seaweed can be converted into biofuels through three main processes: anaerobic digestion for biogas, fermentation for bioethanol, and most importantly, thermal liquefaction, where heat and pressure transform seaweed into bio-oil, a powerful alternative fuel. The process begins with harvesting. Seaweed is collected from cultivation sites or through beach cleanups. It's washed carefully, then either dried or proceeded wet before being crushed into smaller pieces for conversion. This matters because the aviation industry urgently needs sustainable fuel. Currently, only about 20 million tons of SAF are produced worldwide each year. By 2050, demand is expected to rise to 3 million tons annually. Today, SAF is still expensive, about 4 to 5 times the cost of kerosene, at roughly $2,500 per ton. But as production expands, prices are expected to drop, making it worthwhile for producers to build SAF refineries. The benefits of using seaweed for bio-oil extend beyond aviation, which includes cleaner water and healthier coasts, stronger fisheries and marine biodiversity, reduced carbon emissions, and new economic opportunities for coastal communities. With the right technology, fair resource management, and community engagement, seaweed could fuel airplanes, protect marine ecosystem, and strengthen local livelihoods. So the next time you see seaweed washed up on a beach, don't see it as a waste. See it as a resource with the power to transform both our oceans and the future of aviation.